Here at Lloyd Approved Cars Kelso, we are pleased to present this FORD Mondeo 2 litre ST Line Edition, finished in frozen white exterior paint, with 19-inch Y-spoke diamond turned alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include automatic headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, privacy glass, and on the rear bumper we have rear parking sensors. As we enter beneath the tailgate now, we can see the 60/40 rear folding seats and the load space cover. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the black Mico suede and Salerno leather seats with Isofix child seat mounts and the heated rear seat buttons on the centre console. As we enter into the front of the cabin now, we can see the memory seat buttons on the door card and the heated front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the hands-free mobile controls, gear shift paddles, digital gauge cluster display, and the cruise control. On the touch display we have DAB radio, satellite navigation, and the front and rear parking sensor display. On the centre console we can see the dual zone climate control with heated seat buttons, and the rotary gear selector and USB ports. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.